YouTube
Be
marketing.
inspired, be motivated, and be encouraged to live your best life. Enjoy the My Selfie Moment on the D Factor Radio Show. Live with D. Williams.
Hey guys, this is the My Selfie Moment, and every week I start the My Selfie Moment out with a quote, and this week's quote is, "Don't be afraid to fail, but please be afraid not to try." You know, today we talked about YouTube marketing, and a lot of times we hear something new and we get discouraged off the break or think that that's not for us. But we never know whether it's for us or not if we don't take that opportunity to step out of our comfort zone and to try something new. Before you decide that something's not right for you, or that you can't do something, or you can't be the person that you want to be, try. Try. Be afraid not to try. I love you guys. I am so glad you were here with me tonight. This is the D Factor Radio Show, and I'm D. Williams. I'll see you guys next Tuesday. Bye.